Hey guys, welcome to Lever Talks. Today I'm going to be telling you how to use a USB headset with a GOXLR in less than 1 minute. Okay, step one, you will need an auxiliary cable. And if you don't want to hear the annoying crackling in your headphones, then invest in a ground loop isolator, okay? They're like $10 on Amazon. Step number two, plug your auxiliary cable into your headphones output on your computer. If you're using a ground loop isolator, then you want to plug the isolator into your computer first, then plug your auxiliary cable into that isolator. Step number three, plug your auxiliary cable into the headphone output on your GOXLR. Step four, right click on the sound button in the bottom right corner in the system tray and click on sounds. This box will come up. Go to playback. Make sure that your settings in playback are set correctly. So make sure your system settings are set as your default device and your default communication device is set as chat. So now you want to go into recording. Across the recording tab, you want to come into the line in function. That's most likely going to be where your connection comes in from your auxiliary. Right click on it and go to properties. You want to go to the listen tab at the top and you want to click on listen to this device, and then you click your playback through this device and change that to your audio output of what you want. So in my case, GOXLR Void USB gaming headset. Click apply, click OK. The settings are done and voila, done in less than 60 seconds. If you like this video and it's helped you out, make sure you go down there, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that bell that notifies you when I drop that video. Thanks for watching for this 1 minute tip on how to use a USB headset with a GOXLR. This is Lever Talk. I am out.